This is an example of a dashboard created in a product called the ProClarity Dashboard Server. And ProClarity makes a series of tools designed to interact with business intelligence solutions. You'll actually see another one of their products later in this module. But basically, the idea behind ProClarity's dashboard is to mix KPIs with some more detailed tools for doing analysis. So for example, here you have a set of KPIs with some graphical indicators and then trends showing where those are headed. And the ProClarity dashboard adds some interesting tools. You'll notice that this first one is on-time performance for business PCs, and under that is on-time performance for laptops. And there's a little indicator next to each one, and clicking on that brings up a message that says on-time performance is flagged when it falls below 90%. So currently it is above 90%, so there's no indicator with it. Others, however, might be flagged as good or bad, and then of course have trend lines going along with those. Some issue alerts when there are problems, and by clicking on any of these it will pop open a window into some more detailed analysis using some other ProClarity tools. But aside from just having a set of KPIs on this dashboard, they also have links to some more detailed reports. And these are interactive. So for example, here are sales for fiscal year 2002 and 3 by quarter, and it's split into a couple of sales channels, direct and indirect, for example. So here you could look at Europe, North America, the Pacific region, South America. You could click on any of these, such as North America, and the chart will change to reflect those new values. Further down on the page are a couple of additional reports. On the left here is an on-time performance change over the prior year. So you can see that in the third quarter of 2003, the on-time performance percentage increased by about 12% over the prior year, whereas in the fourth quarter so far, it's fallen just a little bit. Now that's for all products. If you wanted to focus just on, say, laptops, you could change that indicator and see a much more dramatic change in these numbers. And finally over here you can see one for fiscal year 2003 sales by the direct and indirect channel for the total of all customers, and then those in the indirect channel and the direct. And you could drill down on those. You'll notice that sales for the direct channel tends to be a little bit low and not quite as volatile. So you could click on this little down arrow next to the direct, and it drills down into the subgroups of the direct channel: financial services, manufacturing, professional services. And then you could continue to drill from there, for example, into professional services. Now this will produce far too many results really to be very meaningful. But this is a great combination of the different tools, some of the different tools that are available and served off of a BI solution.